Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing for you of one of the hottest, most impossible shoes to get right now, okay? I posted these shoes, people went absolutely insane. I had to order these shoes back in September last year, pay in full, okay, $1,000. And I just got the shoes, okay? So this is how rare these shoes are. Absolutely sold out anywhere. I mean, when I talk about impossible to get, I mean impossible to get, okay? So we're gonna do the unboxing for the shoes, and we're gonna talk about these shoes, and we're gonna talk about the quality of these shoes, because we have some tea we need to uncover here, okay? But first, if you are new to my channel, I am Erica from Ericasgirlyworld. Guys, I am almost at 50,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you love fashion, if you love vlogs, if you love honest opinions about fashion, okay? Opinions that are not bought, not sponsored. You know, I do my collaborations, but all my collaborations are very ethical. I only work with companies that I truly enjoy. And guys, if there is something that I don't like, or the quality is not good, or I get bad service, I am gonna talk about it on my channel. Like, I am not one of those influencers that are like looking to score company deals. Therefore, they're schmoozing around. They never talk bad about any brand because, you know, they wanna work with every brand, right? So this is not how my channel goes down. Everything is still very honest, very authentic. So if you're looking for that, please subscribe, help me get to 50,000 subs. But, okay, so enough talking, let's talk about these shoes, shall we? So here's the box, and I literally just received the box, and these are Amina Muaddi shoes, and we're gonna talk all about Amina Muaddi shoes, which are the buzz in the high fashion industry right now. Her shoes are like super sold out, especially like larger sizes. Almost impossible to get her shoes, okay? So let's do an unboxing together, because I know you're dying to see these babies. So here is the dust bag right here. How beautiful. Now, first thing I don't like is that the shoes come with one dust bag. If you guys know, if you guys are subscribers, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is a major pet peeve for me. If you're paying $1,000 for shoes, they should come with two dust bags, especially shoes that have crystals on them. Because when we travel, you know, I use my dust bags all the time, and you don't want shoes to be rubbing on each other, especially with crystals, okay? Which these shoes have crystals. So first thing that I don't like right there is the single dust bag. There will be more ranting. But let's check these out. So sneak peek. I mean, you probably already know what it is because of the tab of the video, right? Let me take these babies out of the plastic bag. So I'll show you how one of them comes packaged. So it has the paper inside to preserve the shape of the shoe. Oh my gosh, there they are. These are the infamous, impossible to get Amina Muaddi Begum shoes. And look at this heel. The signature for Amina Muaddi are these gorgeous sculptural heels, which I absolutely love. Do you know why? It gives you more stability when you walk instead of the spike heels. So these are really comfortable because they're super stable. And guys, she makes these in satin in many different versions, but these right here, which are called the Begum Glass, are really the most impossible ones to get. Like I said, I ordered these months and months ago, had to shed the money right away, okay, in order to get these. But guys, they look like freaking Cinderella shoes. I mean, check out this detail right here. And let me show you the bottom. It says made in Italy. So this is what the bottom looks like. But oh my goodness gracious, what do you guys think? So the price for these shoes is $960 plus taxes and shipping is what I paid for. I got them from a boutique in New York, from someone that I work with that I absolutely love on Instagram. His name is Thomas Kissel. I will put his information on the screen if you want to follow him on Instagram, but they have a lot of really exclusive things that I absolutely love. So let's start talking about the oops that happened with this order. I ordered these shoes in a size 40. I am normally a size 39 and a half, but I read in many websites and I also got advised to order them a size bigger. So I ordered them in a size 40. And when I try them on, they're too big. And I was suspecting this was gonna happen because my friend Val ordered a couple of them as well. And she said, Erica, I got them on my regular size and they fit perfectly. You sure? But you know, too late. Like I said, I ordered this many months ago, guys. So I ended up getting them in a size 40 and they are way too big for me. And of course, I cannot exchange them now because all of the other sizes are sold out. You know, you can only get this if you pre-order them pretty much, okay? So pretty much screwed. So I will be selling these. I'm already letting you guys know. I'm sure I'm gonna sell this in 0.3 seconds because like I said, everybody and their mother, I get so many messages on Instagram from you guys. Erica, do you know where I can get them? You know where I can get them? So I am very sad. I already kind of shed a couple of tears earlier today. I am over it by now. But yeah, I mean, I'm not going to keep something that doesn't fit, right? And the store only does exchanges and they don't have my size. So I am going to be selling these babies on my Instagram. So I was very devastated about that, guys. They are super comfortable. They truly are absolutely incredible. Take a look at this. Doesn't get much sexier than this, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Hello. I just wish they fit me, but you can tell on the back right now, see right there, it's really big. And then you can see there's so much space between my toe and the front of the shoe, which I mean, you should have some space in here, but I should go way further than where I am right now, but you get the idea, right? And they look so sexy. As you are walking around, these crystals spark so flipping much. I cannot even tell you how absolutely insane they are, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about my impressions of the shoes. So this is my first pair of Amina Muaddi shoes, and my friend Val has already ordered a couple of her shoes. She ordered, not these exactly, but she ordered a pair of satin ones, and she ordered a pair that looks like a rainbow, and they're absolutely stunning. I posted them on my Instagram already. You guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, you know, I post the latest and greatest there because, you know, Instagram is easy. I don't need editing like YouTube, right? So make sure you follow me there. But I posted Val's shoes on Instagram. Everybody went insane. But she told me, Erica, because I haven't seen her since she has gotten these shoes, and she said, Erica, I am not impressed with the quality whatsoever of the shoes. And I'm like, what? She's like, dude, like the glue shows through everywhere. Like some places are not glued properly. She was like, I am really upset. It is not what I expected at all for shoes that are $1,000. So I was like, whatever. Maybe Val got a bad batch or whatever the heck, right? So anyway, so I ordered these. And guys, I am very sad to say that I am so not impressed with the quality of these. If I did not buy them from a legit boutique, authorized dealer, and I know that Val, you guys know my friend Val, she's a major baller, also always buys her shoes from a legit places, I would have thought they were fake. I mean, I just can't believe these are made in Italy, for real. Like, here's the thing. You can see the glue everywhere, and I'm gonna show you guys close-ups, okay? Because in this light, you're not gonna be able to see what I'm talking about. But guys, you can kind of see the glue on the inside, like the tiptoe, like you can see the glue everywhere. I have like dirt kind of like stuck inside the plastic in a few places. Look at the space here. Look at that. And look at all the glue. You can see all the glue around it. I mean, such terrible finishing. Look at the heel. Look at the space that is right here in the heel at the bottom. Look at how you can see the glue here everywhere. Check that out. Guys, for real. Look at this finish. Look at this finish on this heel. Like right here. Check that out. Oh my gosh, on $1,000 pair of shoes. Look at this. Check this right here, guys. I mean, look at this. What an embarrassment for Amina Muaddi. Look at this. Look at this finish, guys. For real. I mean, am I being picky, or what do you guys think? For $1,000 shoes? I mean, they're incredible. You cannot see, right, when you're walking. You won't be able to see this, which is why I said, you know, I would keep the shoes. But dude, up close and personal. So can you tell right here, this right here, that's dirt right there inside the plastic that I cannot remove right here. It's actually a black dot. It's kind of hard to capture on camera, but there's this black dot with particles all around the shoe that you cannot remove because they're way deep in there. Oh, can you see right here, this dot? Look at that. Never seen anything like this on $1,000 shoes, okay? Oh my gosh, look at this finish. This is absolutely terrible. I just don't know what else to tell you guys. The finish on these, it's really crappy. These shoes should not cost you $1,000. It's actually really pathetic. If these were my right size, I would have still kept them because these are major baller shoes, okay? And I'm going to Paris Fashion Week here in a little bit, and I would have looked banging, okay, rocking these babies when nobody has them. The finish wouldn't have deterred me from keeping them because obviously you cannot tell from a distance. As you are walking around, these just sparkle like crazy. People are not gonna be able to tell. If you guys are considering, I would say go for your true size, your regular size. I don't know why some websites say order a size bigger. I don't know if it depends on the model, but guys, the finish is absolutely terrible, okay? So Amina, my dear, Amina is a beautiful young designer. She's in her early 30s. If you haven't heard of her, she is half Romanian and half Jordanian. Beautiful mix, which is why she looks so gorgeous. So she's a young entrepreneur that launched this line, and this has become a fever. Her shoes have been spotted in everybody from Rihanna to Kendall Jenner, Dua Lipa. I mean, the who's who of the celebrity world and the high fashion world is wearing her shoes. But Amina, you guys need to fix these quality issues. I don't know what the hell is the problem. I have never seen shoes made in Italy with this quality. And I know that I don't have a bad batch because I have a friend with 2 other shoes that has the same problem as I'm having. So I'm wondering what the heck is going on? Why nobody's talking about this? I have not seen anybody talk about this. So me and my friend were like, was this another like influencer ploy? Did everybody get free shoes and got paid to talk about these shoes? Because you guys know nowadays, it's kind of hard to know what influencers really love, and I talk about this in a few of my videos. If you saw my video about the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette that every cat and dog is carrying nowadays, all because they all got paid to do so and got the bag for free. So you don't know if these girls really love the item or they are getting paid to talk about the item. Is an industry right now that is not authentic at all. It's actually very shady, okay? And I am usually not a sucker. I don't like to buy things that everybody has. And, you know, but we were talking about this, me and Val, and we were like, was this another marketing ploy? Maybe they distributed these shoes and paid all of these influencers to talk about these shoes because Amina Muaddi, this brand kind of exploded kind of out of nowhere, and now everybody wants these shoes. These are like hyped like hell right now, okay? Super duper hyped. And now I'm like, did I get sucked in? Like, am I a sucker? Am I really a sucker? Because usually I am not a sucker, guys, okay? But maybe I did get sucked into the marketing ploy because these shoes do not look like $1,000 shoes. Amina, I mean, if anybody from Amina Muaddi is watching these, you guys need to take a look at your quality control. You need to take a look at your finish for your shoes, because I mean, these look like high street shoes. I feel like I could buy shoes with this kind of a quality for $100, $150. I don't mind paying a lot of money for things that are well made. I just paid $1,500 on Louis Vuitton shoes, if you saw my Christmas haul, okay? So I don't mind paying money for quality, okay? But paying money for crap, I mind. You know what I mean? I am not a sucker. I want the best materials. I pay a lot because I want craftsmanship. I want artisans to make things right. I'm not getting that here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Very curious to hear what you have to say. Would you still pay $1,000 for shoes that the quality is not there and the finish is not there, if they still look amazing and gorgeous, and you know, from a distance people cannot tell? Would you be pissed off? Would you return the shoes? I mean, I would like to know. I'm just shocked that these are made in Italy, because I have tons of Chanel shoes, Valentino's, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and when you buy shoes that are made in Italy or France, they are out of this universe. I mean, there is absolutely nothing bad that you can talk about the finish. They are absolutely incredible. So I don't know if she's growing too fast and she's cutting corners to be able to deliver to this huge demand, but I don't think a brand will have longevity when the quality is not there, because then you start buying them, you realize you got sucked in the hype, and then you kind of don't go back. I mean, will I buy them in the future? I don't know, guys. With all of the options that we have for amazing shoes out there, there is no need for you to sacrifice quality when you're paying this kind of a money, right? So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this? Have you heard anybody talking about the quality of these shoes? Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me and see what I have to say. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I can't wait to get to 50K, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.